Your knees crack when you squat, climb stairs, or just stand up. You hear that pop and wonder, am I falling apart? Let's bust this myth. That sound? It's not your bones grinding. It's called cavitation, a tiny bubble popping inside your joint fluid. Totally normal, totally painless. In fact, the sound is just pressure release, not damage, but when should you worry? If the cracking comes with pain, swelling, or locking, then it's time to get it checked. Otherwise, it's just your body doing body things, like cracking your knuckles. But knees. Want healthier knees? Focus on quad and glute strength, hip mobility, joint control, not just stretching. Your knees aren't breaking. They're just saying hi, this is Mocha Biomechanics. Like, save and stop panicking about pops.